Welcome guys to a healthy long life space. Sophia Loren, the iconic Italian actress, attributes her healthy lifestyle and ageless beauty to the Mediterranean diet. This diet, deeply rooted in the culinary tradition of the Mediterranean region, focuses on whole natural foods and promotes a balanced and sustainable approach to eating. Here are some key components of Sophia Loren's Mediterranean diet. If you are looking for Mediterranean diet plans or foods, here is it that we are going to highlight them here for you. 1. Olive oil. In Mediterranean cuisine, Lauren credits extra virgin olive oil for her glowing skin and overall health. Rich in healthy fats and antioxidants, olive oil is known for its anti-aging properties. Second on our list is fresh vegetables and fruits. Lauren consumes a variety of fresh fruits, colorful vegetables and fruits daily. These foods are rich in vitamins, minerals and fiber which support digestion, skin health and immune functions. Third on our list is whole grains. Bread, pasta and grains made from whole wheat are essential in her diet. These complex carbohydrates provide sustained energy and are rich in fiber. Fish, seafood, especially fatty fish like salmon, tuna and sardine is a key source of omega-3 fatty acid which promotes heart and brain health. Another on our list is moderation with meat and dairy. Yes, balancing them with plant-based foods are so good. Lauren enjoys meat and cheese, but in moderation quite alright. Balancing them with pasta with plant-based foods are very good. Sophia Loren adherence to this nutrient-dense diet combined with portion control and an active lifestyle is central to her well-being and youthful appearance well into her 88. The Mediterranean diet is widely recognized for its health benefits, including reduced risk of heart disease and improved longevity. You might want to incorporate this right in order to live a healthy, long life. Thank you so much for watching. Please, if this is your first time here, make sure to subscribe, okay, for more healthy, long life tips. Thank you, and to our returning subscribers, much love.